Good morning, students. Yesterday online classes we have seen the concept of empirical formula and molecular formula. Empirical formula represents the simplest whole number ratio and molecular formula of a substance represents exact number of atoms of different elements in one formula of a substance. So today we will solve some numericals to calculate empirical formula and molecular formula. Calculate molecular formula of a compound which contains 75% of carbon and rest hydrogen. So the given information is in compound there is only two elements, carbon and hydrogen. Carbon constituent is 75% and hydrogen is not given, but from this data we can calculate because sum of percentage of all element will be equal to 100. So hydrogen percentage is equal to 100 minus 75, we got answer as 25%. Next is you solve it in the form of table. This table will contain 5 columns: symbol, percentage, atomic mass, atomic ratio and simple ratio. Symbols of elements. There are two elements, carbon and hydrogen. Next is their percentage. Carbon is 75%, hydrogen is 25%. After writing that, you have to write atomic mass. Carbon atomic mass is 12 and hydrogen atomic mass is 1. Then obtain atomic ratio. Suppose my this column is x and this column is y, then atomic ratio is x upon y. So here in first column it will be 75 upon 12 and in second column it will be 25 upon 1. Solve it. When you solve this, your answer will be 6.25 for this and for this your answer is 25. Suppose my answer is z. Then find out which is smallest z. So smallest z is this, 6.25. So you have to divide all rest of the z with the smallest z. So z divided by smallest ratio of smallest z, answer will be 6.25 upon 6.25 which is equal to 1. So it contains 1 carbon, simple ratio. Next is 25 upon 6.25. 25 upon 6.25. Answer will come out to be 4. You can't use calculator. You can directly use maths concept to do all this calculations because calculator is not allowed in board. So please practice on your own. That means this contains 4 hydrogen, simple ratio. So it's empirical formula because simple ratio is empirical formula is 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen, so CH4. Now as you know that carbon's valency is 4, it has already formed 4 bonds. So there is no other possibility and this compound molecular formula and empirical formula is same. That is N is equal to 1. Next, come to this numerical from a textbook. In it, given data I have already listed. H is equal to 4.07%, hydrogen is 4.07%, carbon is 24.27%, chlorine is 71.05%, and molar mass of the compound is given as 98.96 gram. Right now, molar mass is of not useful to us. Okay? So first I will form the table. Symbol and percentage I have already written. Symbol are hydrogen, chlorine and carbon. Hydrogen, carbon and chlorine. Their percentage also I have written. Next is you complete the table. Next column is atomic mass. So atomic mass is for hydrogen it is 1, carbon it is 12 and chlorine is 35.5. Next column is atomic ratio. How to find atomic ratio? X upon 1. So it is 4.07 upon 1 which is equal to 4.07. 24.27 upon 12. 12 2s are 24, so answer is 2 point something. I have already calculated it, it is 2.02. Next is 71.25 0.05 upon 35.5. So answer comes out to be 2.00. Now which is the simplest ratio out of this all? Smallest, not simplest. Smallest is 2.00. So all rest of the ratio must be divided by 8 to obtain your simple ratio. So simple ratio is 4.07 divided by 2, which is approximately 2.00. We round it off to nearest whole number. Then 2.022 divided by 2, answer is 1. And 2.00 divided by 2, answer is 1. So round it off to the nearest whole number if it is not a whole number. So we get there are 2 hydrogen, 1 carbon and 1 chlorine in the formula. So its empirical formula is CH2Cl. This is my empirical formula I obtained from the table. Now calculation of molecular formula is next. Molecular formula mass is given as 98.96. Let us check empirical formula mass. Empirical formula is CH2Cl. So it is 12 plus 2 plus 35.5, which is 24 plus 35.5, which is equal to 12 plus 2 is 14. I wrote 24. So 14 plus 35.5, answer is 49.5. Now empirical formula mass and molecular formula mass is different. So here I have to obtain value of N. So N is equal to molecular formula mass upon empirical formula mass. So molecular formula mass is given as 98.96. Empirical formula mass we obtained is 49.5. So 49 2s are 98. So we round it off it as 2. So N is equal to 2 for this. So we will be getting molecular formula as CH2Cl multiplied with N, which is equal to CH2Cl multiplied with 2, which is C2H4Cl2. So this is our required answer. So we'll stop here.